Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever scroll through Instagram, see someone with perfect, glowing skin, and wonder, what's their secret? Well, guess what? It's usually not magic. It's consistency with a simple, effective skincare routine. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know into one easy 10-minute routine. We're talking daily habits, weekly power-ups, and some amazing natural remedies. So, let's get started on your journey to clearer, healthier skin. First things first, let's talk about the daily non-negotiables. This is your foundation, and you should do this both morning and night. Part 1. The daily routine. Step 1, and this is the most important step, is cleansing. To wash away all the dirt, oil, pollution, and impurities that build up on your skin throughout the day or night. How? First, find a gentle cleanser for your skin type: oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. Use lukewarm water, not hot, and massage it into your skin using small circular motions. This stimulates blood flow and ensures a deep clean. Rinse thoroughly and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Do this twice a day, every day. Next up, toning. A good, alcohol-free toner does 3 things. It removes any last traces of dirt, balances your skin's pH level, and preps your skin to absorb the next products. Just swipe it gently across your face with a cotton pad. No harsh rubbing needed. Now, let's moisturize. This step is crucial for everyone, even if you have oily skin. Moisturizer hydrates your skin and creates a protective barrier against environmental damage. If your skin is oily, look for a light, oil-free, or non-comedogenic formula that won't clog your pores. And for the morning, the absolute most important step: sunscreen. Sunscreen is not just for beach days. It's your best defense against sun damage, dark spots, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Apply it 15 minutes before you go outside and reapply every 2 hours if you're spending a lot of time in the sun. This is the #1 anti-aging product on the planet. Part 2. The weekly power-ups. Now, let's boost that routine with some weekly treatments. These are the game changers. First, exfoliation. Do this 1 to 2 times a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells that can make your look dull and clog pores. You can use a gentle chemical exfoliant with AHAs or BHAs, or a very gentle physical scrub. But please, don't scrub your face like you're scrubbing a pan. Be super gentle to avoid irritation. And my personal favorite, a face mask. Once a week, treat your skin with a mask. Use a clay mask to deep clean and absorb oil, or a hydrating mask to give your skin a big drink of moisture. It's 15 minutes of pure self-care. Part 3. Pro tips and home remedies. All right, beyond the products, here are some lifestyle tips that make a huge difference. 1. Never ever sleep in your makeup. Always double cleanse. 2. Keep your hands off your face during the day to avoid transferring bacteria and oil. 3. Change your pillowcase at least once a week. 4. Drink tons of water. Hydration starts from within. And 5. Eat a balanced diet full of fruits, veggies, and antioxidants. Now for some fun, effective DIY home remedies. Multani Mitti, or Fuller's Earth, is amazing for oily skin. Mix it with some rose water to make a paste, apply it, and rinse after it dries. It pulls out impurities and oil like magic. Honey is a natural moisturizer and has antibacterial properties. Just smear a thin layer on your face for 10 to 15 minutes as a soothing mask, and rose water is a fantastic natural toner. Spritz it on your face to refresh and balance your skin anytime. Part 4. The most important advice. Before we wrap up, I have to give you the most important advice. If you have persistent acne, serious irritation, or any major skin concern, please go see a dermatologist. They are the experts and can give you personalized advice. Also, whenever you try a new product, always do a patch test. Put a little bit on your inner arm or behind your ear and wait 24 hours to see if you have a reaction. Safety first. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips. Let me know in the comments what your #1 skincare struggle is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.